days ago I ordered an iPad from Apple, and today they delivered it through FedEx. So right now there's an offer going on that if you order an iPad or a MacBook, you are getting an AirPods for free. So it's a pretty good deal for getting $100 AirPods for free. So let's not waste any time and get into it.
Till I can't no more. I got the horses in the back. Horse stock is a
And our main package, the iPad Air 4. Wow. So just to be clear, it is the sky blue version, the 64 gigs iPad Air 4 sky blue. So let's open this. So for years I've heard that this is the most satisfying moment while unboxing an Apple product. So this is the first time for me. So let's see. Well, I gotta say they did not lie.
A few moments later.
And yes, designed by Apple California. And there we have our AirPods. Wow, the box looks really nice. So there we have it, the AirPods. Actually this is the basic one. There is also AirPods Pro, but that would be next time. As we have finished unboxing the AirPods, let's unbox this, the main thing that the video is all about. So let's get into it. Here we go, the 64 gigs iPad Air 4th generation. It's only the Wi-Fi version, not the cellular one. It's sky blue, and it's been delivered today. It's another satisfying moment. Okay, let's get into it.
5 minutes later.
Okay, finally. So right here we have the iPad Air 4th generation. Despite the M1 iPad Pro getting released, I still prefer to get the iPad Air, and I would say why. So let's peel it. Oh yes. Okay, this is the iPad Air 4th, the sky blue. Although it's pretty late, I'm doing the reviews a lot later than it was launched. We have the charger here. Apple really bothered to give the charger for iPads. Here we have the charger. It's the 20-watt charger for the iPads and the USB-C lightning cable. Okay, let's turn this on. Where is the turning button? Yeah. Okay. getting started. Oh, we already have 90% charge. Okay. There is another thing that we also ordered for the iPad. The Logitech Crayon. Now it is obvious that we have the Apple second generation pencil, but we all know that the second generation pencil is a bit expensive. So when Logitech Crayon comes in, we get that alternative at a cheaper price. So why not choose this? And ultimately it offers actually almost the same thing except for the magnetic charger that the Apple second generation offers. So here it is, the Logitech Crayon. It's got a sleeky design, like it's flat and it won't just roll down. So that's pretty good. And we've got a bunch of instruction manuals, but no charger. The only disadvantage with this pencil is that it comes with a Thunderbolt port, which means you have to charge this with the old Apple devices chargers. So it does not support the lightning cables. So that's an issue, a real issue right now that Logitech needs to work on. Otherwise the Crayon is just awesome. So alright, if you're wondering that despite having iPad Pro, why choose iPad Air 4? Well, there are a few specific reasons for that. First of all, I really like the color variants. iPad Air 4 offers a lot of color variants compared to iPad Pros. Just like the one that I got for this is the sky blue version. I really like it. But iPad Pro does not offer this one. Next comes everything except the 120Hz refresh rate. If you are basically an artist or something, iPad Pro is the best choice for you. But if you're just a student and looking for digital note taking and reading books and stuff like that, or basic video and photo editing, iPad Air 4 is actually the best one in its price, because it is actually a lot affordable than the iPad Pros. iPad Pro is, as you all know, it's really expensive. With 64 gigs, you are getting an iPad Air 4, the latest one, at a very affordable price compared to the iPad Pros. So I think going with the Air is actually the best choice right now. But obviously, if you are good on your budget, you're very welcome to go and for the iPad Pro. For years, the iPad Airs were not actually at level because these iPad Airs did not support the second generation pencil, neither the Magic Keyboard. But with this iPad Air 4, they actually brought up every single thing that Apple users dreamt of. You can now use the Apple second generation pencil with the magnetic charger, and you can also use the Magic Keyboard. 20Hz refresh rate is not something that I would think of or maybe concerned of, because I really don't need it. If you are writing notes and just reading books and basic photo editing and video editing, then 60Hz refresh rate is enough for this iPad Air 4. So practically you don't really need it. Students who are looking for an affordable iPad where they can actually do tasks like that, especially note taking, iPad Air 4 is the best choice to have. So it completely depends on what you want and what you can get right now. So that's it for my iPad Air unboxing video. Hope you all liked it. If you do like it, make sure you like the video and subscribe the channel. Comment down below if you want videos like this in the future. So stay tuned and see you next time.
Yeah, let's go.